Dear customers, my video guide today will help you in getting rid of pop-ups that derive from the website called open-plugin.com. So this is a very deceptive resource that now attacks Google Chrome, Firefox and Mozilla Safari in Mac computers. The pop-up says that some virus was found and that you supposedly need to immediately scan your computer. The pop-up is also titled as Apple Care Protection Plan. However, this is a totally faulty message. It is not related to Apple Care Protection Plan at all. It says your system is infected with 3 viruses, your Mac is infected, and to avoid more damage, click on Scan Now. When people click on Scan Now, they will be forced to download and install certain software. By the way, this could be even some decent software, but definitely the methods used by the authors of this website are absolutely not genuine, because this is a typical scam. So open-plugin.com is a deceptive and scary website that you should stay away from interacting with. So the only correct conclusion is to leave this page and to disregard its content. Also, I would strongly advise that you visually examine your currently available Mac applications. And if you find some items that are suspicious, get rid of them by right-clicking on them and moving them to the trash. Also, I would recommend that you double-check your Mac and its safety with a Combo Cleaner antivirus. Get it on the page combocleaner.com. After the program is downloaded and successfully installed, let it update the antivirus database and click on Start Combo Scan. So the program will initiate the free research of your Mac. So this is the end of scanning by Combo Cleaner antivirus. Of course, in your case, it will be in the trial mode. But you may go to the antivirus section. The program will show you the total number of threads that were found during the scanning. Click on Review Results. So this is the list of threads, and not just the list, but rather their location. You may go to each specific thread, one thread at a time, until you find this icon that says Show in Finder. So this will show you its exact location in Finder. Here it is. You may right-click on it and move this thread to the trash. Basically, you may do the same thing with all other threads, or you may consider purchasing the premium version of the program to get rid of these threads automatically and to get your Mac fully protected.